What's up, baby shower host? It's Ike Paz from Print My Baby Shower. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mexican baby shower printables, specifically printable banners. But before that, if you click the link below, you will find the link to my pre-made Mexican baby shower printable game set and banner set. So you get printable games plus 12 printable Mexican baby shower games plus banners and some bonuses, including what? Including an RSVP guide, baby shower recipe book, and the cutouts. Plus you get all the answer keys, of course. Okay, so to create your own printable Mexican baby shower printable banners, for example, what you want to do is go to Pixabay. Pixabay is a place where you can get public domain images for free. Then put in, for example, your term, that the theme for whatever baby shower you want to make. For my example here, Mexican. And then not only that, I go to instead of images, I go to illustrations. Okay, it's a subcategory of images. And for color, I want to click transparent usually, so I can get the image that I can play with. Hey Nina, how you doing? What's going on? Okay, that's what you do. And then after you get the images you want, so I went ahead and I chose this background here, this Aztec type background, and this little girl dressed in Mexican garb. Then you go to Canva, another free tool, and you're gonna click, for example, US letter size. Okay, if you live in the US, it's US letter size. If you live internationally, it's A4, okay? Check it out. Once you're done doing that, you're gonna upload the images you got off of Canva, okay? So I'm not off of Canva, off of Pixabay, excuse me. So Aztec, that's one, plus, now that we have our designs, let's go to the elements. I want to make a banner this time. Okay, this you can use this to make games, banners, whatever you want. I'm gonna make a banner, so I need shapes. Of course, I need a triangle, right? I just took this triangle and I copied it. Yeah. So now I have two per page, and I rotate it. Okay. And I bring it down towards the end. Okay, now that we have our banner set, we have to put in our backgrounds that we uploaded from Pixabay. That's one. Now you can do any background you want. I'm just showing you what can be done in just a few moments, just a few minutes. So I want to show you how easy it is using Canva. Let's put in like a circle in there for the little girl, so we can place the little girl. Okay, I wanna just do it for one, because I want this banner just to remain as is, so we have some variation. Yeah. What color is a good color for this? Let's make that red, maybe yellow, and the background for that should be let's say white. Cool. Now let's put the little girl in there. Perfect. Just like that. Now we have our banner, Mexican banner theme, Mexican baby shower printable banners. Okay, you can create whatever you want with Canva. You can even create games, all of this. I already had these games created. But yeah, you can create your own for free. Again, if you want already pre-made Mexican baby shower printable games and banners, and you just click the link below, check out the description, and you can find everything you need. Okay, thank you very much. This is Ike Paz from printmybabyshower.com. I'll see you later.